Hey everyone, just joined last night after talking with ePay. Can't wait to get started and to learn from everyone. Is there anyone from St. Louis or Missouri in this group? I finally got my first lead gen site up. A little over 2 weeks is what it took me, but I went back over the training a few times in order to refresh my mind. This is just the beginning. I plan on doing things a lot quicker, smarter, and more efficiently as I build out more sites. Now I'm just working on my optimization and will wait for the site to get indexed. Thanks to everyone for all of the help, words of encouragement, and stories each day. It really helps people like myself when I'm not feeling motivated or wanting to push myself further. I just turned my company computer off for the last time, taking it to FedEx with my phone and iPad here shortly. Wow, what a crazy feeling this is. Now it's time to take it to the next level. This is just the beginning. Vegas is coming at the perfect time. August has been my first full month of doing this full time. I was terrified for many reasons leaving a solid corporate job. July was my biggest month in my business after 19 months. August isn't over yet, and I've already done over 30% growth month over month. I've hit my first 15K month after barely getting to 2K per month in March. I've had students ask what's happened after some recent posts. I put in the work. Instead of treating this like a hobby, I treated it like a business. So many people made excuses during COVID. Crazy times. I get it, but it's not an excuse. I made it my mission to quit my job, and I did that. 511% growth in my company since the pandemic. You can do it too. Can't wait to learn how to grow, scale, and automate more of my agency so that I can hit 20K, 50K, or 100K months. 2 weeks ago, I made a post about my largest SEO client leaving me out of the blue. It was a tough pill to swallow. It was the largest client I ever had and the largest one that ever left me. Since then, I have sold almost $7,000 in websites, locked in $4,500 per month in monthly retainers via lead gen, SEO, and paid ads. I could have easily taken a few weeks off, complained about what happened, and given up. That would have been super easy. I refused to do that though. Another huge thing happened yesterday. I posted about my lead gen success with a heat map all over St. Louis. The CEO of a St. Louis-based, nationwide roofing and construction consulting company reached out to me. He saw the map, how I dominated, and the number of phone calls I posted about. After a few messages back and forth, we had a call today. His exact words on the phone today: "How the F do you do that?" He has a large clientele base across the country that all need what we do. He said that they don't know who to go with though because they get screwed on lead generation and marketing all of the time. This guy saw my work, and now we are meeting over the next few weeks with his whole team to white label the stuff I do. This still doesn't seem real. This opportunity will result in more clients and revenue than I have seen before. 2021 is about to be a big year, all because I put in the work, trusted this process, and when I got kicked in the teeth, I didn't stay down. Oh, and I'll be starting an auto glass repair business come January 1st, because I have 300 plus leads coming in per month, and I'm about to capitalize on all that. Well, it's happening. I've officially filed for my LLC for my auto glass repair business that I'm starting because of a lead gen site that I own. This lead gen is generating 300 to 400 leads a month, and it's more than enough to start a business. I have a guy in town that I'm having do the work who is familiar with the industry and also does auto detailing. His business is struggling, and it's perfect timing to make this happen. Today, I ordered the glass repair equipment, and we are starting the online training to get certified. We should be ready to go by January 1st. This skill set has so many possibilities. Who knew when I started 2 years ago that I would be running an auto glass repair biz? Thanks to Seth and Damien for their guidance along the way in starting a business from this. This likely doesn't need to be said, but going to say it anyway as it took me over a year to figure this out. Use the network in this group to your advantage. What I mean by that is creating relationships with people. Provide value to the group, and you will create opportunities and relationships far bigger than anything that you can do on your own. In my first year, I just wanted the work done for me. I didn't want to do the work. When people would post the successes, I would want to know the exact science of how they got there. I would message people wanting to know the secret sauce. Truth is, they could tell me the exact things they did, but my mindset was jacked up, and I wasn't going to do the work regardless. The secret sauce is right there in the training and in this group. I just couldn't see it. When you provide value, follow the process, and do the work, you are setting yourself up for success. Build relationships in this group and give more than you receive. I had a great call yesterday with Ryan and one today with Jarrett. We were able to talk shop, discuss what's going well, and how we can improve in 2021. All of the ups and downs that you see in this business, everyone else experiences them too. You aren't alone. I've been wanting my first 5K plus revenue day. Just hit it, and it isn't even noon. All on New Year's Eve in the year 2020, when many people have packed it up for the day or year. In the past years, I would probably already be drinking and definitely not working. 3 websites sold already. Now there's a reason to have a few drinks tonight. What a difference a year makes. A lot of people have reached out and asked me what I'm doing to be successful. The answer is that I am actually doing. Taking action is the difference, and so many people aren't taking action and wondering why the results aren't there. In January 2020, I did $2,270. In January 2021, I did $33,940. It's actually mind-blowing to think about. I get chills every time I look back. This didn't happen overnight. This didn't happen until almost 2 years into this program. But the reason it took me so long, it was me that was the problem. I didn't put in the work. I didn't watch the Tuesday or Thursday calls. I didn't do shit and scratched my head thinking none of this works. I was the problem. I'm not perfect, and I fail more than I succeed. But that's the craziest part about this business. You can literally fail 90% of the time and still make a ton of money. 14 times growth year over year in month 1 of 2021. I'm ready to crush February. Who else is ready?